Hey, taxiing out.
I'm gonna come up and just sit.
Go ahead.
No pass after takeoff.
Okay, going up right now.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
No pass.
Whoa, shit. We'll pass from the right. I heard the car, so I won't go too low.
No pass.
Got another fast low pass from the right. I'm on it this time.
Time remaining.
Turn right in
2
front of
minutes.
us.
No low pass. No pass.
Woo! That was low. That was low.
But was it as low as mine? That's the question.
Yeah.
You can only tie that.
No one can get lower than you unless you go negative.
Yours was the ultimate lowest.
Alright,
Oh, mine was the lowest last week.
Yours was the ultimate lowest, yeah.
I'm doing
But the flight
Landing.
before that, I
Yeah.
actually went low and I didn't hit it. Wait, I want to hear the full clap. Landing.
Yeah, I'm good. I have.
Time remaining. 1 minute. 14.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'll get one more pass and then land. Okay, fast pass from the right.
Alright, I'm on the runway, but
Time remaining. 1 minute.
You're doing the Victor thing?
Yeah.
Take off and land?
Take off then land. Okay, landing from the right.
Gear down. Landing flat.
Does this glide at all?
It's not too bad. I'm mostly power off right now. Power on right now.
Seconds.
Nice.
Braking.
It's a lot easier to fly now with the CG forward.
Flaps up.
Because I've got the lighter fan now, so it's easier to handle.
Release.
Thank you.